ভিডিও কেন করছিস?
সৈকত তুই আমরা একটা ক্যাপাসিটর ইউজ করতে পারি না? এটা তো অ্যালুমিনিয়াম ফয়েল।
হ্যাঁ, ব্যবহার তো করতেই পারি।
Hey, so previously we actually came up with the idea to actually use scrap aluminum foil as our capacitor. And not surprisingly enough, like every other household, I happen to have some aluminum foil. Of course, it's rather my mom uses it to wrap up stuffs, mainly food and everything. So yeah, so we can actually use this thing to make the capacitors. Hey, so to complete the circuit in our project, we actually need a bunch of wires. And talk about wires, I actually happen to have a lot of them. There was some work that was actually done in my household, and there is a lot of leftovers. So what we did is actually cut some wires from it and made the circuit complete.
In our project, we are using a paper as dielectric in between the conductive plates of the capacitor, and I have some A4 size paper as drum material. So we will be using these A4 size sheets as the dielectric.